Breeze through. To do something successfully and easily. How did you finish so fast? I just breezed through it. Simmer down. To calm down. Why is he so quiet now? He needed time to simmer down. Knuckle down. To start working seriously. Are you ready for the exams? I need to knuckle down for my exams. Tear up. To rip something apart. Where's the contract? Sorry, I tore it up. Bottle up. To suppress emotions. Why don't you share your problems? I tend to bottle up my emotions. Boil over. To become uncontrollable. Why did they start yelling? The argument boiled over. Flare up. To worsen suddenly. Why did he leave early? His allergy flared up again. Zone out. To stop paying attention. Did you hear me? Sorry, I zoned out. Hush up. To keep something secret. Why didn't we hear about it? They tried to hush it up. Freak out. To panic. Why did she scream? She started to freak out when she saw a spider in her room. Crack down. To take strong action. Why so many speeding fines? The police are cracking down. Break down. To lose control emotionally. Why was she crying? She broke down after the news. Pipe down. To be quiet. Can you kids stop shouting? Okay, we'll pipe down. Kick back. To relax. What is your plan this weekend? Just kicking back and watching TV. Jazz up. To make something more exciting. Why does your room look different? I jazzed it up with new decor. Own up. To admit responsibility. Who broke the vase? Alright, I'll own up. It was me. Play down. To minimize importance. Why did they play down the problem? Because they didn't want to cause panic. Drag out. To make something longer. Why is this meeting so long? They keep dragging it out. Choke up. To become emotional. Why didn't you finish speaking? I choked up a little. Dwell on. To overthink something negative. Why do you look upset? I keep dwelling on it. Snap out of. To recover from a mood. Why are you still sad? I know, I need to snap out of it. Size up. To assess someone or something. Why are you staring at him? I'm just sizing him up. Space out. To lose focus. Why didn't you answer? I just spaced out for a moment. Gloss over. To avoid discussing something. Did they mention the losses? No, they glossed over it. Shake off. To get rid of something. Still sick? I can't shake off this cold.